Welcome to Solvetic, your channel to always learn technology easily. Below in the description, you will find useful links and commands we used in this video. Today in Solvetic, we will see how to fix the action cannot be completed because the file is open in another program. To start, in the search box, enter the command resmon.exe. In the window, you will go to the CPU tab. Now copy the name of the file with the error. This name, you will enter it in the search handles field. Once you see it listed, right-click on it and choose the End Process option. Confirm this by clicking again on End Process. Now it will be possible to edit the file. Hey, remember to subscribe Solvetic channel. We hope it has been helpful for you. Here are links to watch more videos of your interest and subscribe to the Solvetic channel. Thank you.